Hello everyone, and welcome to the comprehensive HTML and CSS course. I'm really thrilled and excited to introduce this course in which we will learn how to create a website with all of the necessary elements and make it incredibly responsive as well as give it a gorgeous design. All of these will be covered in this course. We will go through all of the essential HTML and CSS fundamentals and take it from the very beginning to the advanced level. This course is broken down into the following chapters. Chapter 1 explains how to set up tools. We will use VS Code for this. In Chapter 2, HTML, we will learn everything there is to know about HTML and how to apply it. CSS fundamentals, Chapter 3. And this is where we will learn about CSS and how to apply it. In 4th chapter, float layout and CSS position. In 5th chapter, beginning working on the website design projects. Here we will learn how to design the project and website. In chapter 6, website design that is both responsive and accessible. In chapter 7, we will learn flexbox. This chapter, we will go over all of the properties of flex containers and flex items. And number 8, using flexbox, design a stunning website. In chapter 9, CSS animations, we will learn about CSS animations and how optimize them. In chapter 10, we will learn CSS Grid layout. In this chapter, in order to improve performance, grid layout in CSS. In chapter 11, create a website utilizing grid once more. In chapter 12, SASS, we will know about and learn about SASS. In chapter 13, another SASS-based website, and using we will learn in the previous chapters to apply here. Chapter 14, launch of the website, host your website, and here you will learn a lot of new things. In chapter 14, this is called a bonus chapter, demonstrating the use of Figma tools. So I hope you will gain a lot of knowledge from this course, which is absolutely free. If you like it, please share, comments with your friends.